in the stall. We got Zach Hamilton! Here we go. He's out of the stall. Let's get to the first barrel. He's coming in hot. Around the mannequin. Oh, it's a blue. Oh, no, damn it. He's getting loaded. Off to the second barrel. Here he goes. He's coming in hot, boys. But it's going down. He's coming in hot. He's around it. He's got it. Oh, no, damn it. There's another one. Poor James. Oh, no. Third one right here. He's looking good. Oh, no. That's a penalty. He's coming around. He's going to finish. Here we go. He was nervous. Oh, here we go. To the finish line. Got it. Let's get an interview with our winner here. Yes, sir.
Sure can. Hey, first off, I'd like to thank my sponsors, Cub Cadet, Grasshopper, Rotary, Steel, A&I. But if you want a chance at the track championship tomorrow, come on down to Clean Slate Powerhouse for your chance to win this bad boy push mower. There'll be vendors from Steel, Rotary, and others. But most importantly, free lunch. Faux show!